Bro, begin, dude. Wallet's empty. DoorDash ads, screaming burgers and fries right on your phone. Stomach growls, but zero cash. This is the daily grind before credit whispers, easy fixes. Paycheck finally hits. Unfold it, couple 20s, maybe a 10. Scraps. Rent envelope glares back, due soon. You're short every time, living check to check. DoorDash temps with wings and pizza. Finger ready to swipe, but nah. Shut it down, grab the dry bread. Skipping delivery builds that itch for easy money. Rent, do notice lands. Crunch numbers on calculator with your scraps. Short again. These pressures stack up, prime for credit card temptation. Mid-scroll, credit card ad hits. Instant approval. Spend now, pay later. Sounds perfect. Promised easy cash for food, rent, whatever. The hook's in. Fantasy kicks in. Swipe for DoorDash, gym membership, new phone. Feels like free money. That dopamine hit from spending dreams. Credit cards sell exactly this thrill. Bank ad hits during your scroll. Instant approval, no hassle questions. Just enter basics, get a $1,000 limit right away. Sounds like free money, right? It's borrowed, but easy access changes everything. Click apply, dude. You fill name, address, income guess. Submit. Seconds later, approved. No credit check hell. Now wait for the plastic. Feels empowering. But that's the hook sinking in. Card shows up days later. Shiny plastic in hand. Banker lurking like he owns you now. Your new best friend. Or worst enemy. Check the app for that sweet limit. App says $1,000 available. Not your money. Borrowed cash you repay later. Feels unlimited though. Swipe away. No immediate pain. That's why DoorDash calls your name next. Activate online. Done. Eyes light up. Ready for that first real spend. No cash needed. Just plastic. Burgers incoming. No regret yet. First buy, DoorDash burgers. $50 gone from limit. Delivery shadow at door soon. Life upgrades instantly. But minimum payments lurk. Keep swiping? Yeah, you do. Gym membership next. Swipe that card for monthly access to weights and motivation. Feels like an investment in yourself, right? Limit dips by sign-up fee. Recurring charge kicks in. $50 a month auto debits. Easy ones add up fast while you think it's under control. Phone upgrade hits next. That shiny new model for better TikTok scrolls. Hundreds gone in one swipe. Luxury buys accelerate the burn. Available credit shrinks. Still feels like free money though. Spend spree ramps up. DoorDash again for late night fixes. Balance plummets, but swipes keep coming. From $1,000 limit to half gone quick. Gym, phone, food. You're rolling now. First bill drops. Minimum payment around 4%, say $25. You cover it easy from paycheck scraps. Cool, but 96% of debt stays. Interest clock starts ticking on arrest. Bill handled, minimum checked off. Back to DoorDash for wings. Thinks you're square now. Cycle repeats. One minimum payment feels like reset, but debt compounds quietly. App update, $200 balance now. New order plus gym charge. Still swiping freely. Debt accumulates unseen. Minimums hide the snowball starting. Next statement shocks. Gym membership? That auto debits $50 monthly. Right on cue, it hits your car balance. Recurring charges stacks silently. Your DoorDash spree just got a gym buddy. First statement drops. Cool, DoorDash and gym total $200. But wait, new line, interest fee. That's the charge for not paying full. Your free burger just cost extra. Interest, fee banks charge on money you haven't paid back. Like rent on your debt. That $50 gym hit? Unpaid part now owes extra. Compounds quick. You pay minimum, say $25. Looks handled, but principal drops pennies. Most goes to interest. Debt chills, waiting for next DoorDash. APR, annual percentage rate, your borrowing cost. Often 20% plus on these cards. That means your $50 meal could cost $10 year one in fees alone. Not monthly, daily. Interest hits average daily balance. Sneaky acceleration. Gym sub on that? Doubles faster than you DoorDash. Trap tightens. That DoorDash burger? $50. Now $65 after interest stacks up. Tiny meal, growing tab. Stock is rising fast. One splurge snowballs when you don't pay full. Next beat worse. Grace period? That 30-day free ride to pay full. Closes now. Interest clock starts ticking hard. No more zero interest window. Every day compounds on what you owe. Minimum pay trap tightens. Minimum payment mostly feeds interest, debt barely shrinks. Like renting your own burger forever. Illusion of progress. Real debt lingers, compounding daily. Late fee lurking next. Missed due date? $40 late fee slams on. Plus higher rates ahead. Consequences stack. One slip tab balloons. Penalty APR incoming. Penalty APR? Rate jumps to 29% or worse after late pay. Interest explodes. Borrowing costs skyrocket. DoorDash debt accelerates. Snowball rolling now. Original 50 burger run? Now 300 plus owed. Compounding snowballs your spends. Pressure mounts. Bills pile next. Credit score about to tank. Bills stack up fast. That DoorDash habit? Now a tower of statements on your table. Minimum payments just feed the interest beast. Each month adds more. Debt doesn't shrink, it grows. Okay, phone starts screaming next. App hits you with alerts. High utilization means you're maxing the limit. Lenders see risk, rates spike. Over 30% use tanks your score. Desperate? Cash advance at ATM sounds easy. Here's why it sucks. Cash advance. Instant ATM cash on card. No grace period. Interest starts day one, plus 5% fee up front. That $200 pull? Costs $210 right away, compounds daily. Now collectors call nonstop. Collections call. Late payments flag you for harassment. They buy your debt cheap, squeeze hard. Credit score craters from delinquencies. No more loans, apartments, jobs needing checks. Study time. Score drops hard. Late pays, high use advances, all kill it. Below 600? Life locks up. Renters, landlords check it. Future you pays forever. Time to learn the full scam from Banker. Banker explains the loop. Spend, min pay, interest rolls debt forward. Gym sub, DoorDash, all auto traps. Full cycle, daily compound on average balance. Break it by paying full before due date. Compound math next. Compound interest hits daily on your average balance. That DoorDash burger? $50 becomes $65 fast as unpaid bit snowball. Over months, $100 owed balloons without full paydown. Minimums just feed the beast. Brutal math, dude. Grace period hack. Pay full balance by due date each month. Zero interest. No grace on new buys if carrying old debt. That's the escape. Always pay in full during grace. Gym sub? Cut it before it recurs. Recurring charges like gym, auto debit trap you. Cancel them outright. Avoid the monthly hit. Breaks the cycle. Now, balance transfers sound good, but watch the fees. Balance transfers move debt to 0% intro card. Tempting, but 3 to 5% upfront fees add up quick. Plus promo ends, rates spike. Better to track, spend strictly first. Shift to tracking every DoorDash, gym charge. App shows where cash leaks. Cuts impulse buys. Now shop for lower APR cards to ease paydown. Hunt card with lower APRs. Cashback, no fee ones. Banker's game weakens. Pay extra principal each month. Watch balance drop. You're breaking free. Pays extra beyond minimum. That hits principal directly, reversing the debt arrow instead of just treading water. One extra payment snowballs back your way. DoorDash debt from $300 starts shrinking for real. Keep paying extra monthly. Bill hits zero. No more compounding trap, eating your DoorDash spends. Gym sub canceled too. Recurring charges gone. Credit breeds again. Next hunger hit? Skip delivery. Cook basics. Ramen beats $65 interest bloated burgers. Grace period hack. Pay full before due date every time. Free short-term borrow, zero interest. Shop lower APR cards if needed. Penalty rates drop back. Beats the 25% trap. Math wins. Compound interest reverses when you control it. Banker defeated. Recap. Minimum payments feed interest forever. Pay full or extra. Debt dies fast. Dodge the trap. Cut up the card. Cash only feels free. Like if this was you.